投資今日嗱，再介紹一次今日嘅直播室嘉賓就係專業地產服務區嘅 banker 嘅麥敏華小姐 Tina， 同埋一位嚟自多倫多嘅朋友就係 Frank Petralia。阿 Frank 你好嘛？
Very good.
I'm good. How are you?
考一考佢啲廣東話。
I know.
考唔到
We're testing your Cantonese.
Nice to meet you。嗱，今日主題咧就會講下咧，就係多倫多同埋溫哥華兩邊啊，嗰物業市道嗰個分別嘅。因為多倫多同溫哥華都係一個我哋加拿大嘅大城市嚟㗎。係咪想大家聽眾可能都有興趣知道，究竟嗰邊嘅市道同呢邊有啲咩唔同嘅地方咧？嗱，不過咁我有第一個問題咧，即係我諗起㗎啦。呢輪咧都好多啲專欄啊，或者一啲書啊，或者一啲報章都刊載咧，就話溫哥華同埋多倫多兩邊咧啲物業市道咧，亦都有個調整啊！喂，阿 Frank 你點樣睇啊？
Okay, Frank, I just want to ask you is that because recently we have many articles on the predictions, both in Toronto and Vancouver, that the market is going to have corrections.
Yeah.
What is your take on
What's your
this?
opinion? Yeah.
Well, the economists have been making, I guess, incorrect predictions over the last 5 years. However, we do know that we have approximately 100,000 immigrants coming to the Toronto area, including East York, Scarborough, North York, Etobicoke, and the Greater Toronto Area, which is known as a GTA, such as Mississauga, Oakville, Burlington. We have been experiencing a shortage of inventory, so it gives us pressure on prices that are actually going up.
Okay, so I'm going to just explain this okay, in Chinese. 嗱，基本上咧，阿 Frank 嗰個意見咧就係話，因為即係好似我哋不嬲都有講咯，嗰啲經濟師咧，即係過去嗰5年咧，嗰個預測啊。過去嗰5年嘅預測咧都唔係幾準確嘅。That's right。咁所以變咗咧，每一年咧，佢哋Toronto 嗰邊咧都有成10萬嘅 immigrants，10萬個新移民咧就過去 Toronto 嗰邊嘅。咁 Toronto 嗰邊過去邊度咧？就係 East York 嗰邊啦 ，Scarborough 咧，我哋中國人
東約克區係啦，史家堡區，
史家堡就中國人好 popular 嘅 area 啦。咁啊 North York 啦，
北約克區
，OK， 即係咁呢扎啦。咁and then a Greater of Toronto 嘅 area 咧，咁佢哋咧就叫做係 GTA 嘅 area
大多倫多市。
係啦，大多倫多市。咁有邊度咧？好似 Mississauga 啦，都好多人中係啦。Oakville 啊 ，Burlington 啊，Richmond Hill 啦 ，Vaughan 啦 ，Markham 啊，Markham 就係最多中嘅。
Markham 就萬錦市。
係啦係啦。咁但係最主要嚟講咧，因為咧嗰個 inventory 出嚟賣屋嗰個嘅貨量唔多啊，所以令到嗰個都好有個 pressure， 即係會令到嗰個價格咧價錢咧都係會有上升咯。
即係求過於供啦，
啱，
即係供應量少。
係啦。
不過以前嚟講咧，我成日聽有啲前輩講咧，史家堡咧就比較即係還比較中意啲嘅，史家堡即係最 popular 㗎啦。咁但係而家點啊？麥咸點咧？頭先都提過，麥咸即係萬錦市啦。
係啊係啊係啊係啊！
而家好似話超越佢嘅趨勢喎。點解咧？
我都係咁睇啊，就係 OK Frank Scarborough used to be very popular to Chinese, so right now we hear Markham is the most popular area for Chinese. Why is that?
Scarborough is starting to lose some population to the Markham area. The Chinese population is moving to Markham because of the many services that it includes, such as the Chinese malls. Also, Markham has very high ranking for both elementary and high school. Chinatown and downtown Toronto is actually losing some of the younger population who are moving to the Markham area to a newer, more modern facilities for shopping.
Okay.
They're also moving to North York, which is part of the city of Toronto. And the reason is there are subways which allow them easy access to get into the city where the best hospitals, universities, Ryerson, a financial district, includes technology, including Google, who has now changed their philosophy, gone from a suburban market to actually opening up their first city office building, and they're taking advantage of the highly educated youth market.
設施嘅問題
係啦係啦係啦。嗱阿 Frank 嘅意思咧就係話，即係中國人咧就以前就去 Scarborough 啦，但係而家咧開始咧就去 Markham 嗰邊啦，就比較多啲係啦。點解咧？即係好多新嘅中國人嘅魔啊！係啦，
啲中國人中意
係啦，中意新啲嘅嘢啦，同埋咧佢嗰個小學同埋中學嗰個學校嗰個 ranking 咧都好高下，
排名榜高啦。
排名榜高，你知道我哋
係喎，係邊度排名榜高咧就
係邊度係啦，嗰個 area 就貴啦嘛。咁所以變咗咧，即係我哋中國人咧去到邊度咧都係咁樣樣嘅情況，都係為咗細蚊仔移民，都係為咗細蚊仔個教育嘅情況咯。好啦，咁佢意思咧就係話 Chinatown 咧就 唐人街咧，喺多倫多嘅唐人街咧就比較冇以前咁興旺啊，因為咧 Markham 嗰啲全部係新啊嘛，咁中意去啲新嘅地方嘅時候咧，咁所有啲 facility 比較 modern 啲啦，咁所以變咗咧去即係唔係咁常去唐人街咯。咁佢哋仲有咧就係可能去佢哋就會搬去 North York 嗰邊啦，
即係北約克區。
係啦，咁點解去嗰邊咧？最主要咧就嗰個地鐵啊，subway 嗰度咧就可以去到嗰啲好多地方就係咩咧 ？hospital，OK，醫院啦，最好嘅醫院啦。大學啦，OK， 仲有個 financial district 即係金融區啦，咁咧仲有 technology company 咯，technology company 咧科技公司好似邊間咧？我哋最大係人都知 Google 啦，係啦 Google， 佢係 Google 咧，而家喺個市嗰度咧，喺個市中心嗰度咧，然之後開個 office， 就因為 Google 嗰個通常嗰個 philosophy 咧，都係喺郊區嗰邊嚟到做嘅，但係而家咧佢喺多倫多市嗰度開嗰個 office 咧，就可以吸收到大量而家係多倫多嘅 technology 嗰啲後生仔啊，個個都中意 IT 啊，個個嗰啲
啲科技人才咪集中晒嗰度咯，所以就
that's why。
咁啊明解即係點解萬錦市呢啲輪咁 hit 呢個地方？我哋都 hit 咗成日聽，哇萬錦市啊，原來就咁嘅意思嘅，咁多即係中國人去到。嗱咁啊中國人咧就好得意嘅，中意買地嘅，即係買屋地同埋塊地買嘅。喂，但係我哋又唔清楚，即係大多倫多市嗰邊啊，即係某啲 hit 啲嘅區域咧，即係比較熱門啲嘅區域，有啲屋嘅平均價㗎。阿 Frank 可唔可以同我哋講介紹幾個最出名嘅市嗰啲 average price of the detached house 喺多倫多嗰邊
？Now Chinese love land. Okay, so could you share with us the average price of the detached house in Toronto, please?
Sure, the list is very long. How about I share the top 5 areas, both average price and medium price with you?
Okay, great. So, 因為咧嗰個多倫多比我哋大好多啊，好多唔同嘅區嘛，咁即係嗰個 list 咧就太長啦。咁所以咧佢話咧就 top 5個區最高嗰5個區啦，咁佢就會同我哋講嗰個 average price 個平均價，但係佢有一個 median price 喎，咁我就係啦，咁我就去問下佢個 median price 係乜嘢咧 ？Okay, now we know what the average price is about. What is the median price?
Median price are the price that the majority of homes are sold for in that area. For example, central Toronto, such as North York, a popular area to the Chinese community. The lots are a lot bigger. They have the subway system connecting the city center. Medium average price is $1,091,000. Medium price is $888,500. Number 2 on the list would be Richmond Hill. There are a lot of Chinese, Persian, and Korean people moving into the area. Average price is $886,000. The median price is $728,000. Third on the list would be King in York region, where the average price is $850,729. Median price is $708,000. Number 4 on the list is Vaughan, mixed with Italian, Indian, and some Chinese, but not many because it's close to Markham. Therefore, they choose Markham for the amenities catering to their population. Average price is $756,000. Median price is $655,000. Number 5 on the list is Markham. Majority of Chinese. Average price is $726,700. Median price is $664,900.
意思咧，咁 median price 佢最主要意思咧就係話大部分成交都係嗰個價位啊。
係。即係嗰個價位左右啦。
係啦，即係唔係攞到最高，亦都唔係攞到最低。佢呢個係最 popular 嘅價位成交。咁咧就Frank 佢嘅意思咧就係排行榜咧 ，OK 就係 Central Toronto 咧就類似好似 North York 嗰個 area 係啦。咁呢個區份咧就好多中國人咧都中意去嘅。點解咧？地大啊！我哋地大咧就梗係要中意啲嘅 ，right？ 另外一樣嘢咧就有地鐵喎，
個濕位喺度。
係啦，即係我哋就天車咧，佢哋咧就地鐵好似香港式咁樣樣啦，right？咁好啦，咁咧就可以連到嗰個 city centre 嗰度。OK， 咁嗱佢哋個平均價咧就超過100萬，係991,000，係。但係最 popular 嗰個成交價位咧就係為888500。
中國人都中意啲價位喎，888000。
I know we love the 8. Chinese love the 8.
Lucky 8.
So the North York is like the median price is 888. Okay, number 2 第2位啦。第2位咧就係好似我哋 Richmond 咁樣樣啦，又係 Richmond Hill 啦。OK, Richmond Hill 列治文山啊，嗰個地方咧就多 Chinese 啦，多中國人啦。 同埋多伊朗人啦，
伊
咁亦都有咧好多韓國裔嘅韓裔嘅，咁佢嗰個平均價咧都係亞洲人多咧，都係個8字咧，88.6萬。咁佢嗰個價錢咧，最多數成交嘅咧個價錢又係8喎，728。
70用8硬係立住個8字。
係啦，又易發啊嘛。
Okay.
然後728。This we just love the 8 Chinese. Okay, number three 咧 ，and then
King
就 King 啦，King 咧就皇城鎮嗰度啦，佢咧嗰度咧就平均價咧都有8，呢個8字開頭，85萬。OK， 729蚊。OK， 咁但係咧多數成交價又有8喎，70萬零8。即係
70萬9我都唔知，70萬7我入咗70萬8。
70萬零8，誒我都覺得好，我哋好得意。OK，number four 咧就係 Vaughan 啦。Vaughan 呢個 area 係啦，咁就比較少啲亞洲人、中國人，多數咧就好似阿 Frank 嗰個籍裔啦，意大利人 Italian 意大利人啦，咁咧就有印度啦、Indian 啦，同有啲 Chinese， 但係咧就唔係太多。OK，因為嗰度咧亦都好近 Markham 啊，所以既然係咁近啦，咁佢就不如去 Markham 咯，咁樣咯 ，right？ 咁但係個情況就係即係你知道啦，華人去嗰度 shopping 啊都比較容易啲啦。好啦，呢個價位咧少啲華人去啊，所以咧冇咗個8字。We don't have 8 anymore in Vaughan. Chinese don't go there too often.
少華人咧就8字。
OK， 佢個平均價咧就為75,600,535。咁個 medium price 多數 popular 嗰個價位咧就係65,500,000。OK， 好啦，而家去到我哋 Markham 啦，
係萬錦市啦，
萬錦市 Markham number 5啦。咁咧，然之後咧嗰個咧個情況就係話個 average price 咧。就係72,6,728，都要楞住個8字，都要楞住個8字。但係咧，多數得popular 嗰個價位咧，就係為66,500,000嘅。
66,500。
咁但係咧，我就想問阿 Frank 啦，咁 Mrs. Saga、Scarborough 都好多唐人㗎，咁嗰個佢哋又排位點樣樣咧？So Frank，you know like Mrs. Saga and Scarborough is very popular to Chinese。What price? I mean, where is it? The ranking? Where are they?
Mississauga 士嘉堡嘅情況點啦？
Mississauga is ranked number 8th, and average price at $673, and the medium price is $565. Scarborough with the average price at $514, and the medium price is $440.
Okay, so where is the ranking for Scarborough?
Scarborough is number 12 on the list.
Okay.
士嘉堡排12，
士嘉堡排12啦。OK， 嗱，Mississauga 中國人去嘅地方中意啦，但係又有個8字喎，排行第8。
個價錢冇8，不過排行第8。
The price doesn't have 8 for Mississauga, but we're number 8.
Right number 8. That's
right number 8. Okay, so 嗰個平均價咧就係為67,300,000。咁嗰個多數 popular 嗰個價位咧就大概係56,500,000嘅。咁你話 Scarborough 啦 ，Scarborough 以前咧就好 popular 啊嘛，對華人嚟講。咁但係而家咧就稍為退位咗啦。咁咧為多倫多咧就係排行第12位嘅。咁嗰個價錢嗰個平均價咧就係51,473。咁嗰個多數成交嗰個價位咧就係大概44萬左右嘅。
OK， 差唔多啦。好，或者唞一唞先啦。
OK，
等阿 friend 飲杯水先，一陣再翻嚟傾好冇？
OK，thank you。